My grandfather had a vision to not only build a successful company, but to build a company that made a real difference in the world. It began with a rupture disc used to safeguard against overpressure-related events, and it would soon expand into protecting people from dust explosions and industrial fires. Today, the Fike family business now includes 1,100 employees extending around the world. My grandfather would be incredibly proud, but not necessarily about our growth. He would be most proud about building upon his legacy of keeping people around the world safe. But we aren't done yet. We continue to work. We strive for even greater reliability and even faster performance. We continue to push for perfection. When it comes to saving lives, the work is never done, and it's all for that one moment. When a Fike product is called upon, it works. Lives are protected, workers are able to return home to their families. That's why we do what we do. Because so much is at stake.